The Panoply Arts Festival is an annual three-day celebration of the arts in Huntsville, Alabama. The first festival opened on May 14, 1982. The outdoor festival celebrates the arts with a wide array of performances, exhibits, demonstrations, and hands-on activities. Panoply is a production of the Arts Council, Inc., with sponsorship by Huntsville area businesses and volunteer support from up to as many as 2,000 people each year. The festival is held annually the last full weekend of April in downtown Huntsville's Big Spring International Park and Von Braun Center. Over the years, Panoply has evolved into one of the region's largest festivals, featuring activities and events like the Global Village, a gateway to the area's diverse cultures, to children's make and take activities, to the official Alabama State Fiddling Championship, quote, Homegrown Talent Contest, and MOVA Songwriters Competition. Panoply has had record attendances of over 100,000 in 2007, 2008, and 2009. The Southeast Tourism Society ranked the festival among their top 20 events. The 2011 festival was cancelled because of the Super Outbreak at the time. Panoply homepage.